I called TD Ameritrade because the markets are rigged, and I tried to sell a position, and it was going up in value, and it kept going low, but then it just suddenly stopped. So I called TD Ameritrade and gave Kyle a nice, wonderful phone call.
Thank you for calling TD Ameritrade.
Yeah, we need to call TD Ameritrade. What the hell?
Trade desk, this is Kyle. How can
Hi,
I help us today?
I'm sorry. What was your name?
Oh, it's Kyle. Sorry about that.
Kyle, hi. My name is Jay Garcia. I'm on a recorded line too. I want to investigate my account because, yeah, I've never seen market manipulation like this before. Um, so I do options trading, and I had some puts set to sell. One of them sold. The other one, if you look at the charts, I actually sold it before the very bottom, and we bottomed even way lower at 10 1051, and for some oddball reason this didn't sell. So I want to know what's going on, and I also want to know what news came out at 12:29 that made the market fly up like this.
Oh, well, Kyle's been speaking all day. Look,
Oh no, I
so,
know that.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, but like you know how the markets usually fly up. If you look at historical data, every time he speaks, it flies. I know. But for some oddball reason, yesterday it tanked, and so did today. So this time, yesterday was my fault. I bought calls and thinking they were all gonna go up, and they didn't. They did the complete opposite. So today I bought puts. They went down. So thankfully I made money. And every time I tried to cash out, it just wouldn't. Every time, if you look at the charts, every time I hit sell, the market would flip. So I mean, I don't know if my account's being like looked at or spied on or what, but um, yeah. Okay. First off, I'm in California. What happened at 12:30? I have to write this down because something's not adding up.
12:30 would have been 2:30. That would have been the initial imbalance being reported.
Balance reported. Okay, and were the balance reports positive or negative?
Shit, 123 million to the sell side.
Oh wow. Okay, so it was positive. Okay, so yeah, that can't be true, but I get it. They're gonna say what they're gonna say. Um, wow,
Well, so
even with
all
all the
that is
layoffs.
they're just reporting market on close orders as they come in.
Okay, all right. Let me see. So that's one, and as far as my put goes, I don't know if you see my account. Are you in my account right now?
Oh, I need to get you verified, Jose. What's your date of birth and last four of your social?
Oh,
Gotcha. And I see the SPX on there. I got you, Jose.
yeah, so look, do you see the one that's down now for some oddball reason, the 550? Okay, that one was up. That one was up a lot. And um, at 1048, I want to say, that was like lower than when I first tried to sell it. So, yeah, this doesn't make any sense. I held it longer and it went shorter.
Like the index?
Let me see. I'm looking at the chart, sir. The candlesticks. You know, like where the candlesticks are.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I see, let's see here, you have your limit at 1410, and you placed that this morning. Let me take a look here. Option as.
Okay. By the way, here I'm writing down this to some people who are panicking and they don't know what's going on. So you said, market close. I asked. So reason. Um, S. Shit. Sorry. SPY and all those S&P 500. Um, flew up was because you said 12:30, which would be 2:30 market. I'm sorry. Can you repeat what the reason was, sir?
That's the balance being reported for market on close orders.
Was reported for market on close orders, so it flew up. Okay, that's kind of stupid, but okay. Let me see. Okay. All right. So yeah, can you explain to me why mine didn't fill? I had a set to sell. More than twice, and it's just not selling for some odd reason.
1902. So you have your limit at 1410. Let me see here.
I think I hit 1405, but okay, whatever. 1410.
Correct.
Yeah, this is too rigged. We might have to close the account, but okay. Let me see. 1410. Okay, it went down $10. That's insane. That's insane to me. Okay. Yeah, are you checking the time, sir? So, I bought at, what was it? 7. Hold on. Here, I'll show you. Cuz this is not making any sense right now.
Oh, you're fine. I'm just pulling up my time and sales real quick. I'll be able to explain. Let me see here. 25 seconds.
Okay, yeah, 6:53. Here it is. I bought at 9:70, 6:53 a.m. It went to like 14:10, and I hit sell, and market just flipped. It just flipped the other way. Then it went down again. But if you look at the pattern, sir, if you look at the 1 minute, if you look at when I tried to sell, that's still not like the low. There's been lower than that. I don't think Theta's gonna kill something like this. I bought these are for tomorrow.
Yeah, just real quick, Jose, because I understand where you're coming from. I'm gonna pull up the time and sales in which that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, take your time, sir. Take your time.
Yeah, so we will be using this data.
Yeah, because I don't know what your app is doing. If it's your app, I'll have to, take out the funds and go to another app or platform, But I don't know what. I've tried Robinhood, I've tried Webull. Webull's worse. Robinhood's the worst, and now you guys are doing the same. So I don't know. This is very interesting that this happened.
No worries. I'm gonna be able to explain to you, Jose.
Okay.
Give me one second.
I'm here.
I'll wait for this to load up here.
All right, sounds good.
All right. So you placed this order. Let's see here. View. Let me pull up your account here. 25 seconds. There we go. Perfect. Time and sales. Back to 902. Load. Okay. Appreciate your patience, Jose. It just takes pulling up time and sales takes quite a bit of time. Let me see here. There we go. Okay. Let's go down to we're going to 26 seconds. There we go. 26 seconds. Alrighty, Jose. So you placed this order in the 25th second of 9:02 Central, which would be 7:02 your time, to sell at a 14.10 limit. From the moment you placed your order onward, the high reached was 12.80 at the bid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I saw that one went up in value, and as it was going lower, yeah, I could have just changed it. You could always change the order, and or what is it, replace, but yeah, I mean, but that's still some bullshit, sir. Because if you look at it, I don't know if you're looking at the charts, but
I understand you want me to look at the chart. We're discussing the options price. See,
yeah,
options are trading off of supply and demand, are also influenced by theoretical Greek. I can factually say this was 12.80. You were $1.30 below the best bid from the moment you placed your order. There was no fill warranted here, and I apologize for that. I can't speak as to why the option performed the way it did. I can only explain what.
That's not an sir. You're apologizing, which means that I'm obviously right, but that doesn't.
Oh no, you're not right, sir.
I'm not. Okay, how?
I just gave you the.
I'm looking at the charts, sir. I'm looking at the charts. It's lower. Look at 1050. It's way lower. It's lower than the original. You're talking about theta and the Greeks, but these are for tomorrow. If it was today, I would understand that, but it's not. What do you mean,
So do you see that do you have an option chart brought up?
Yes.
And what do you see the highest bid after 9:02 being?
Okay, hold on a minute here. After 9:02? All right, here we go. So, okay, well, now they're at 380, thanks. Let me see, puts. Look, the 39.95s are at 15.30 right now. They're still going up in value, and this one is not even moving. I'm looking at it right now.
You said the 39.95?
Okay, so
you're
look.
In the 39.60.
Yes, that's what I'm at. But I'm reading you the one that's in the money.
It has intrinsic value.
Okay, right. I know. Yes, that I know. But for example, this one, what I'm trying to tell you is this: every time I hit sell, it was flipping. It wasn't even filling. I saw it. I saw it with my own eyes. I didn't record it, but I saw it. I want to know why they didn't sell.
You saw what?
Sir, are you listening? Okay.
I am listening loud and clear. You haven't explained your basis.
I
asked you to tell me what the highest bid you saw was reported. Since you're saying our information is
that was okay. So that was the high, but if you look at where I was on the charts, it's gone way lower than that, and these didn't move.
The options didn't move. I see that.
Yeah.
Again,
why is that?
The movement of the underlying does not guarantee performance in options.
Okay, then why did my other one move higher? I got one that was before this one. Watch, look, I'll read it to you. Because I told you I had two puts. Look, I'll read it to you. It was the 39.55s for March 9th.
That was on another leg down on the market. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
That is not comparing to the order that did not fill, though.
Right. I understand that, but they were right next to each other, sir. Same day next to each other, and that one moved higher. As a matter of fact, even as it was going lower, that one was going up in value more than the one that I had, that I was holding. Ooh, cracked my neck.
Again, that was on the down mark, and the high of that option was 12.90 today.
Mm-hmm.
So it did not move higher than the 39.60. 39.60 having a higher
Yeah,
delta.
this is strange. This is strange. I don't know. This is market manipulation. Every time I was ready to sell, every time it was close to selling, every time it was going up in value, like it just randomly flips every time it's trying to sell. I don't know. I'm not buying this. I don't know. I don't know. If TD
If you'd like,
Ameritrade if TD Ameritrade is selling our data so that they know like what we're trying to sell at, so that they won't let that happen. I mean that's kind of messed up for TD Ameritrade to do. Or I'm sorry, Charles Schwab.
well, we do have one of the highest execution speeds. We're not selling data.
Highest
I apologize. Your order did not fill.
Yeah.
Again, you were $1.30 below.
No, I'm talking about earlier, the first time, sir.
Yeah, you sold after the spike on that option. You placed your sell order after the spike of the option.
Well, it was going lower, and I saw
data crush and volatility crush. That's the reason for the subsequent downturn on that option.
when I tried to sell the first time, sir. I saw the candlestick. It kept going down, and this just stopped moving. So, just so you know.
Did you see the candlestick on the option or on SPX?
I have it on SPX, yeah.
Okay, and we're talking about SPX. We're not talking about the option itself.
Oh my god. Sir, I have
One
every...
thing that has to be understood with options is, yes, there's theoretical Greek, but also there are supply and demand affected products.
I use supply and demand, sir.
The
I
performance of the underlying security does not always guarantee any
If
guaranteed performance.
okay, so you just said supply and demand. Okay, so you just said supply and demand. If I'm at the bottom, and and you got the bar right there, and I've gone way lower than that, then this should have cashed out.
Well, you were not lower. You put 14.10.
Yes, I was, sir. I'm talking about the candlesticks on the chart. On the chart,
You're
sir.
You're saying the SPX candlestick. I understand you. I've heard you saying that.
Look. Anyone could draw a line, sir. I'm drawing one right now. At the bottom of where I sold. Okay, watch. It was 703, right? Okay, so 703, right here. There we go. Okay, that was at 39.75, I believe, was a low. And it's gone to the very lower one was 39.70, like $5 less. You're not seeing it,
yes,
sir?
I can see what's on the SPX chart. Again, we're discussing an option.
Right.
I appreciate you informing me of how the market performed.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not here to teach, but maybe I should. Maybe maybe some of your employees should be a little more educated on this, because it sounds to me that...
Oh, I'm not educated on this? You're not understanding that Greek...
You don't sound like you are.
Performance of an option.
You don't sound like you are, sir.
Educated?
You don't sound like you are, sir. Yeah, no.
Well, here's what you can do. You go to SIBO in about 10 minutes and download the delay quotes for SPX. And you can have the facts right in front of you directly from the marketplace that supplies that instrument.
Right, but right now we're talking about your app performance, so your desktop capability and all that, the functions, why it didn't sell. And you brought up supply and demand, so I thought, okay, let's talk supply and demand. I have my supply, I have my demand. It went lower than that, lower, $5 lower, sir. And these didn't move.
SPX did go lower. Do you understand what volatility crush is?
No, yes, I do, sir. But what I'm telling you is I had two puts. The other one moved a lot faster than this one did, and this one was, a different amount. Am I making sense?
Yeah, you're making sense. The time you placed that secondary put order was on a down leg of the market. You were riding the momentum of the market. The reason your first order did not fill is because you sold off of a spike. You were after the fact. It went 14.9 to 12.8 within 15 seconds. You placed your order whenever the bid was 12.80. We had already dropped $1.
I mean, I don't know how much faster you want me to be, sir, but I went as fast as I could. I'm still human. I'm not like a bot or algo like the ones you guys use or these hedge funds are using to take our money.
Simply put, we're not trading.
Yeah. Okay. Right. You're not. Okay. So it sounds like you're gonna defend this, and I'm trying to explain to you what I saw, what I was looking at, what I was witnessing myself. Yeah, I didn't record it. Maybe I should have, but I need my phone, right, to place the trades. So I don't have two phones.
Jose, and I'm not trying to argue with you by any means, but we're in the trading environment and we can only give fills off of facts. I mean, simply put, you were just $1.30 above the best bid at that time. It came close towards the end of the day on that, again, down leg of the market. But of course, what you saw, the reason that option didn't return that original value is due to volatility correction. Theta, even though it expires tomorrow, SPX holds a lot of extrinsic value. Our systems aren't incorrect. It's just how SPX options move. I can give you over 100 examples of an SPX option moving $20 in the midst of 30 seconds. It's almost a daily occurrence, actually.
No, I know. I watch it every day. Let me see. All right, so
we're not here to argue. We're here to assist. There's just no fill warranted.
Well, let me see. Okay, let's hope the market gaps down tomorrow. And if this doesn't move, I'm gonna call you guys back.
You can call us back, and we'll repeat what we just discussed.
Yeah, oh, and that's fine. But I'm not here to lose money. But I definitely will be sharing this with some people who definitely lost money and some who made money who luckily got out. But I think people really need to know this because this is people's livelihood, sir.
No, and I'm absolutely there with you, Jose. It's just SPX itself are extremely volatile. They can move extremely quick.
Right. Yeah, just like it did the last 30 minutes.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, just like it did the last 30 minutes, right?
Yes. So if there's anything else I can grab for you, Jose?
No, I'm going to call you guys tomorrow. You said your name was Kyle?
Kyle. You got it.
Kyle, okay, I'm reporting this, okay? Just so you know.
We have all our phone calls recorded.
That's fine. I recorded this too. Have a good one.
You too.
Posting this now. Fuck that fool. So there you guys have it. Markets are rigged. They get nervous and they're like, oh shit, he fucking saw it. Like bro, don't talk supply and demand to me. I could show you what I saw. And then he started talking about something else. Oh, it was also this. It's like, now it's not supply and demand. Okay. There you have it, guys. Careful with the stock market right now.